Congratulations on purchasing your new Erika Record Divider Rounder. This video will provide an overview of setting up your new machine. Before starting, please ensure you have the following tools available. This includes work gloves, a hammer, a crowbar, a funnel, a 10mm wrench, two 17mm wrenches, a 19mm wrench, and scissors. To begin the uncrating process, please cut the straps and then use a crowbar to remove each side of the crate. Next, remove the manual located on the side of the machine and unscrew the side panel. Once off, please remove the included accessories and lubricating oil located in the base of the machine. All removable head divider rounders ship with a red installation plate, 3 rounding plates, a bottle brush for cleaning, an Allen key, a 22mm wrench, a 5mm feeler gauge, and the necessary lubricating oil. For full and full classic models, an additional bottle of lubricating oil is included in lieu of the installation plate and head removal tools. Using a 19mm wrench, you may now unscrew the shipping bolts that secure the machine to the pallet. For all machine models, you will find 2 bolts located diagonally across from one another. Please ensure both have been removed before proceeding to the next step. For added safety, these same ports can be used to permanently bolt your machine to the production floor. With the side panel placed back onto the machine, you may now safely remove the machine from the pallet using a forklift. With the machine now in position, remove the rear cover by pulling in an outward motion. Next, using a funnel, please add all of the lubricated oil into the machine. For removable head machines, oil should be added using the black fill port located at the rear of the machine. Please replace the back fill port cap when finished. For full and full classic models, remove the side panel and add oil to the reservoir located in the machine's base, replacing the side panels when finished. For those purchasing our semi-model, please cut the zip tie to remove the pressure handle, which is secured to the rounding handle located in the front of the machine. Next, unpack the pressure handle and insert it into the top of the machine. Be sure to firmly secure the handle by hand tightening the wing nut. With the setup for your model now complete, please ensure the rounding tables move counterclockwise. If it moves clockwise, please call our technical support team. For models with removable knife head assemblies, we must ensure the knife height is properly set to avoid damage to both the knives and rounding plates. To begin, remove the covers and dough ring, followed by placing a rounding plate upside down onto the rounding table. Then, lower the knife head and release the knives directly onto the rounding plate. Next, pass the included feeler gauge underneath the entire knife head. It should move across the installation plate without getting stuck as you encounter moderate resistance. If your feeler gauge is unable to move underneath the knife head, you must raise the knife head accordingly. The knife height can be adjusted with a 17mm wrench. Best practice is to make adjustments in quarter-turn increments by turning the knife height adjustment bolt on the top of your machine. We thank you for purchasing your new Erika Record Divider Rounder. If you require additional assistance during the setup process, please call our dedicated technical support team at 973-614-8500 or email us at support@erikarecord.com.